learn about the Pythagorean triplets and how to find them without using a Pythagoras theorem. First, the Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, the squares of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of the other two sides, which we write as a square plus b square is equal to c square, where a and b are the legs of this right angle triangle and c is the hypotenuse. Now, what is a Pythagorean triplet? If three positive integers a, b, and c they satisfy this Pythagorean theorem, then the set of a, b, and c is called as Pythagorean triplet. For example, 3, 4, and 5. If we square these two numbers and add them, we will get 9 plus 16, which is 25. That is a perfect square of 5. Then the third side will be 5. And these three numbers which are satisfying this Pythagoras theorem are called Pythagorean triplets. Other examples we do have are 5, 12, and 13, 8, 15, 17. Now, let's see how to generate such triplets using formula. For the case of even number, if we take a number m and if this number is even, that means it is a multiple of 2. Then for finding Pythagorean triplet with this m number, we will just simply square this p and add 1. And for the third triplet, we will again square this number and subtract 1. Then we will get the other two numbers for the Pythagorean triplet. For example, let us take an even number 4. As I said, this 4 is a multiple of 2. Here, p is equal to 2. Then the other two numbers of the Pythagorean triplet with 4 will be 2 square plus 1 and 2 square minus 1. 2 square is 4 plus 1 and this 2 square will be 4 minus 1, which is 5 comma 3. So we got a Pythagorean triplet 4, 5, 3. Similarly, for odd numbers, for example, if we have any odd number p, then other two numbers which will form a Pythagorean triplet with this p will be p square plus 1 upon 2 and p square minus 1 upon 2. Let us take any odd number. Suppose 5 is that number. Then put p over here, 25 plus 1 upon 2 and 25 minus 1 upon 2. On solving this, we get 26 by 2 and 24 by 2, which is 13 and 12. So we got a Pythagorean triplet where I had a given number 5. So using these formulas, we can generate infinite Pythagorean triplets quickly. Now for you, use p is equal to 7, p is equal to 8 and generate the Pythagorean triplet. Write in the comment. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more math learning videos.